Hi, my name's Doug Jenkins. This is a quick tutorial on how to set up your CAD Audio CX2. Connect your USB-C to USB-C cable that was provided with your iPad or iPhone. Unplug the power box to reveal the USB-C. Now we're going to select an app to set up our sound device within that app. As you can scroll down in the App Store, you can see a multitude of different software for recording purposes. The CAD Audio CX2 can work with all kinds of platforms. In this case, we're just going to pick and choose and download one of these apps. Once we download the app, you will see that it automatically detected the CAD Audio CX2 interface. It really is plug and play. Now you can see my vocals coming through. And that's it. Now you can enjoy using your CAD Audio CX2 USB audio interface. For more information on the CAD Audio USB interface, visit cadaudio.com.